Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and has cooled down to prevent burns. Always check your owner's manual to confirm the correct bulb type for your specific Cadillac XTS model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, open your vehicle's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a plastic cover or a few fasteners to gain clear access. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing a tab and pulling it straight off. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. With the connector off, carefully twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. It should come out easily. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the headlight assembly, ensuring it's seated correctly, then twist or clip it into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Before closing everything up, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Once confirmed, replace any covers or fasteners you removed earlier, making sure they are secure. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb and are ready to drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.